Hi, this is a short tutorial on how to use some of the nifty features in Google Chrome, the web browser that works best with Google Apps. Now, when you download Google Chrome, you can get it if you just search that in Google. You'll have an icon here in your taskbar, or perhaps on your desktop or somewhere else. But when you have it, there are several features that I think are very handy and that maybe not everybody knows. One is this microphone here. So say you or a student has trouble typing or doesn't know how to spell something. So I can click that. Necessary accommodations. So if it picks up all the words that I said, I only meant to say necessary accommodations because those are two of the most commonly misspelled words. And rather than having to spell them out or try to go through the autocomplete, I can just say them, and it makes it that much easier. That's one less thing I have to type. It's especially handy if you're using a tablet device and you don't have to type things. You can just speak them, and it'll make your life a lot easier. So once I'm here, I'm going to click into something, and one of the other really handy features I like is if you select a word, I don't know what accommodations are, so if I select it and right click, it will search Google for accommodations, and most often it'll be the definition will be your first source. So you can see the active accommodating, and it lets me know easy access to a word that I might not know. If I really wanted to refine that, I could do define accommodations, and there it is. That's another search trick. Just type define, colon, and the word you want. So those are two just basic features. But I think something that would be really helpful for a lot of struggling readers especially is adding an extension. Now if you go up here, yours might be a little different depending on which Chrome version you have. It might be a wrench. If you click on the settings icon and go down to the tools, then you can go to extensions. So if I click on that and then get more extensions, it brings me to the Chrome Web Store. So the one that I think is pretty great is called SpeakIt. So if you type in SpeakIt and then click Add It to Chrome, then that will add that to your Chrome extension. I can select my volume level, the speaking rate, how fast I want it to be, or what kind of voice I want. I like the English female. It's actually very clear and easy to listen to, but you can pick. You can test it out by doing this. You can also enable the speech-to-text feature if you want. I'm just going to leave it as is for now. So now if I'm going to go search for something, CNN.com, go into their website, and now anything that I highlight, not anything, but most text on the web that I highlight, I can have the option to have it read to me. Oops, screwed that up. Alright, so highlight it, and then right click, and then this option shows up for me. So I choose Speak
David
It.
Rothkopf. After Bill Clinton's speech, Barack Obama must have wondered, have I unleashed the reverse Clint Eastwood, a guy who will upstage me not with ill-conceived clownishness but with genius?
And it's as easy as that for me to hear it. So if you have this running on your Google Chrome browser or a student's computer, can make it a lot easier for them, or just easier for you to sit back and listen to something rather than have to read it yourself. So those are just a few nice, easy tools in Google Chrome, and that's all I have to say. Thanks for listening.